Yeah, my question is regarding minors working. I have a 16-year-old who is currently employed, and there have been times when she has been required to stay at work 1 o'clock in the morning, and I just want to know the legality behind that. Is that something that
Yeah,
they're allowed to do?
yeah, thank you, thank you. That's an excellent question. And under the Fair Labor Standards Act, during the school year, they cannot require someone to stay that late. And I believe at 1 o'clock in the morning, even during the summer, uh, that's too late. I think the cutoff is approximately around 9:30, 10 o'clock. And they make an exception for people that work in amusement parks and so forth. But 1 o'clock in the morning, I would definitely, consult a labor lawyer about that.
And so what can be the consequence?
Typically, what happens, sometimes they're working off the clock,
Uh-huh.
and they would owe them overtime, because if they're working that late, they're probably getting overtime. I mean, they're working overtime. You know if your daughter's getting overtime?
No, she's hourly, and she on her schedule it simply says that she is to close. They close at about 11:30, but she's required to stay and clean and things of that nature.
Yeah. And are they paying her for that extra time she's staying?
She is being paid for it, yes.
Okay. Well, she may very well be entitled to overtime, and it's important to make sure she's being properly paid for it as well. Uh, And if, as a parent, if you object to the child working that, I mean, I think that that's too late for a minor to be working. And so I would definitely consult someone who specializes in labor law. And you can also go to the Department of Labor. On their website, they have very good information about, it's called the Fair Labor Standards Act is what you'd want to Google, and minors. And that'd be
All
a
right.
quick way to get an answer.
Sure.